Hey, Facebook family. I'm going to be talking really quiet because I have Penelope in bed and I'm always so afraid I'm going to wake her up because she is a light sleeper, especially when she's just getting into bed. So it's been really hard since we got back from vacation, which was weeks ago, but she still hasn't fully adjusted from being in Hawaii time 3 hours earlier. So it's a little bit more challenging. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to do this real quick. Say hi when you hop on. I know it's late and it's not my usual time to be on. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock in Arizona. I don't know what time zone you're in, but I did my makeup earlier today. I did this really nice marigold color on my eyelid. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm back. Alright. So, this is the easiest way to fully remove makeup at the end of the night or whenever you're going to bed. Full face of makeup, one wipe, and these are perfect for on the go. If you travel a lot, if you just like to have clean hands, these are perfect for that. So, and these are so soft, they're really thick. It's not like something you can just break apart, you know, like a tissue. So that's really nice at how luxurious these wipes really are. Amazing. These were first discovered on an airplane on a long international flight. I don't know if it was the CEO's dad or uncle was on a flight, and the flight attendant gave him one of these, and once they discovered them, they had to add them to the line. So that was years and years ago. That was Alconco's signature wipe. Okay, so I got my whole face off, one wipe, and I still have plenty of wipe to do. Any other areas? Wipe down, super clean, and then I just kind of let my face dry. And then what I'm gonna do is, and I'm not washing my face tonight because I did have my lashes done earlier. I'm gonna put on like 2 drops of oil just onto my cheek area here, a little bit here, and then down here. So I do this area too with this Midnight Oil Marilla Oil Serum. It's so lovely. So that's it. Easy peasy routine for the lazy girl or boy, whoever's wearing the makeup. How fun. So you can get it in these convenient singles, or you can get it in a pop-up pack of wipes, which is always fun to carry around. Alright guys, have a good night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 4 of 30 lives. Don't forget to share the love, sprinkle the love. I appreciate you guys, and if you want into my beauty group, make sure you subscribe on the top. Tap the screen, tap the little dots, and make sure you subscribe so that you can get notified for my future videos. And tomorrow we're gonna do a Wednesday makeup look, so stay tuned for that for tomorrow. Good night guys, have a good night.